Welcome to Maximising Efficiency with Dext. Once again, I'm joined by Paul Lodder, and today we're doing the final exploration of our Dextension for QBO. So what is Dextension? It is a extension that you can add to your browser, which we've explained in our last 3 insights. If you want to go and see those insights, I would say jump onto our either myself or Paul's LinkedIn profile or the Dext LinkedIn profile, and we've been posting these insights videos over the last couple of weeks. So what we got in store for our final session on how Dextension enhances the QBO experience for some of our users, Paul.
Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to show you one of my most favorite features in Dextension, which I think addresses one of the biggest pain points that all accountants and bookkeepers often face. So I'm just going to share my screen. Now, I know when you jump into your reconciliation or your bank space within QBO, there may be some transactions that you don't have paperwork for. And it can be frustrating and it can be time consuming, chasing clients for that missing paperwork. Because you want to move forward, you want to reconcile the bank account, you want everything updated, and without that paperwork, it could potentially have some implications around VAT. There could be input tax that you've not been able to reclaim because you haven't got the paperwork, or there could be a case that actually you treat something as a personal expenditure when actually it is business expenditure. And this is where Dextension can streamline that whole process. So I'm just going to jump straight into Dextension, and what we can see here is the option for paperwork requests. If you turn on paperwork requests, you will immediately see a button appear called Request Paperwork. If we were to jump into that, what you can do here is select those transactions where you may be missing some paperwork. You can add a comment. Please, can you provide me with, the invoice? You can see as I'm typing that's automatically appearing in this screen here. This email can be sent directly to your clients. You can connect your Gmail account, you can connect to Outlook, you can send via email, you can send to the Dext mobile app as well, and you can tailor this as well as much as you wish. All of this helping you ensuring completeness of records and getting all of that information in from your clients. You can also download all of the information as well, and you can attach that to another form of email should you need. So for me, this is one of the most powerful areas in Dextension because I know the challenge of getting completeness of records. With that, I'm going to hand over to Max, who's just going to cover link to completeness of records as well and getting that information in, one of the final areas within Dextension.
Perfect. So yes, we've just chased our clients for all that information, and they either sent us a load of emails, they've not done anything properly, they've sent us a big bag of receipts or in whatever way, shape or form. So we now need to get that information into Dext Prepare using one of our many methods. So whether that's an email, whether that's taking a picture on a smartphone, or drag and drop into our function, we've taken that drag and drop function to a whole new level. So with Dextension, you don't need to effectively be in Dext as long as your extension has been logged into at the start of the day. Say we've got an attachment here and we're in QuickBooks. What we can do is if I take this item, I can drag it into here and put it directly into my cost inbox within Prepare, ready for Dext to start extracting that data to publish into QuickBooks. If previously you were on a different client or you were, managing multiple clients at one stage, what you can do is you can drag and drop that directly into this upload location. And from here, you can choose which client you want to drag and drop that information into. What I would say is when you initially turn on Dextension, all of the settings will be there and you can drag and drop into Dext as normal. You can drag and drop whilst you're in any sort of web browser. So you don't even have to be in QuickBooks or Dext. You can just be in a web browser whatsoever. And the settings allow you, if I just scroll down here, you can drag and drop from google.com, you can drag and drop from any website effectively, and also drag and drop from QuickBooks, and you can turn on which websites you do and don't want this feature to appear on. So really customizable and really great feature for you to get stuff into Dext without having to realize, oh wait, I'm not logged into Dext. Let's go into that two-factor authentication and all that jazz. And it can sometimes be a bit of a mouthful. So we're just trying to make that process a little bit easier. and as Paul said, help you guys get that completeness of record that we all strive to get. Thank you very much, and that rounds up our Dextension for QuickBooks series, and hopefully we're going to provide in some more insights to help you guys spend a little less time bookkeeping and a little more time with your clients, advising on what matters most to them. So we look forward to seeing you next time, and thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.